Good morning, class 6. We were reading chapter 6, How Things Change. In this chapter, we have seen some examples of changes. We have seen reversible and irreversible changes. And we were reading some activities of irreversible change. So in this class, we have to read activity 6.8 on page number 71. So students, open page number 71 in your science book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. To perform this activity 6.8, you have an aim to observe irreversible change by first rolling a chapati from dough and then cooking it. So first you have to take a small amount of wheat flour dough and you have to make a ball and roll out a chapati. After it, you have to cook the chapati on a griddle. Griddle means pan. Observe what happens. You will get the cooked chapati, but now you cannot get back that ball of wheat flour dough. So in this activity, we saw that as soon as we made chapati from dough and cooked it on pan, the chapati was prepared. We get cooked chapati, but we do not get the ball of dough from it again. Now think about the changes you observed in activities 6.6 to 6.8. What do they have in common? First, it was not possible to get the balloon back in its original shape and size. So after pricking the balloon burst so that we do not get the balloon in its old position. Second, it was not possible to get back the paper of the same size after cutting the aeroplane. So, after cutting the images of the aeroplane from the paper, we do not get the paper back to its old position. Now the next, also it was not possible to get back the ball of wheat flour dough. So, it is impossible to turn the cooked chapati back into the dough. Now here you can see some questions. You have to answer them orally. Classroom discussion. So you have to discuss whether the growth of your body is reversible or irreversible. Physical and chemical change. Now we are going to read about physical changes. Physical changes are the changes in which the molecules present in the substance remain the same, but the shape, size or position of the substance changes. So, we have understood about physical changes that in physical change there is no change in the molecules present inside a substance, but the shape, size or position of the substance changes. Here you can read the definition of molecule. A molecule is the smallest unit of a substance which can exist independently. Let us perform activity 6.9 to understand a physical change. So here you can see activity 6.9. To perform this activity, you have an aim to observe a physical change in plasticine. Underline this word plasticine. Plasticine is a soft modeling material like clay used especially by children. So first you have to take a ball of plasticine and shape it into a square. What do you observe? You will observe a physical change in the shape of the plasticine from a ball into a square. So if you change plasticine ball into a square, you see that the structure of this ball has changes, but the material from which the ball was made is still same when it was made square. Is that clear? Now turn this page. In activity 6.1, you have observed that the water on freezing changes to ice and ice cubes upon melting turn into water. In both the cases, ice and water, the molecules present are same. So, you have seen activity 6.1 that Actually, we have discussed about activity 6.1 earlier. So you have seen there that we can change ice to water and water to ice, and this example is an example of physical change because matter is not changing in both the cases. Now in activity 6.7, an aeroplane was made by cutting the sheet of paper. Here again the molecules present are the same. Most of the physical change are also reversible. So we have seen earlier activity 6.7 that when we cut the images of aeroplane from the sheet of paper, we get that molecules present in paper sheet as well as in aeroplane are the same. So this is also an example of physical change, and physical change are also reversible. So in the next class we will see about chemical changes. That's all for today, students. Thank you, class.